my channel. My name is Maxwell Oduapeme, and I want to talk to you today about how you can use ChatGPT to improve your proposals, your resume on Upwork. As you may have heard, ChatGPT is an AI-based assistant that can help you accomplish any kind of task that has to do with text. It's a very powerful tool. It can even interact with you just like a human being would. For instance, if I say hello to ChatGPT and hit on enter, all things being equal, ChatGPT is going to give me a reply. And it will say to me, hello, how can I assist you today? So this is just to demonstrate to you that ChatGPT can do quite a lot. Now, you can use it. How can you use it to benefit yourself in speeding up the way you work on Upwork? I'm going to show you a few tips, and then I believe you can take it up from there. But before I go on, I'd like to call on you to please subscribe to my channel if this is the first time you have visited it, and if you gain value from this video, I would like you to hit the like button and share it with your friends. You never can tell who you will be making a millionaire by doing so. So first of all, you will go over to Upwork. Let me open my Upwork tab. This is my Upwork. As you can see, this is my name. I already told you my name is Maxwell Oduapeme, and this is my freelancer space on Upwork. So, and I offer services on this space that has to do with academic research, data analytics, and anything that border around that. So first of all, let's assume that you need to search for a job or job posts that have been made over the past few hours, in which they are requiring or they are in need of data analytics skills, meaning that they are looking for a data analyst. So as you can see, this one says data platform delivery consultant, senior data analyst. All right, what you will do is you will check and see which of them are you much more interested in. Okay, let's say I found one here now. It says data analyst needed to perform analysis with Python and generate reports. So let me go over to this. After getting in here, what you can also do is to open your CV. I will indulge you to give me a few seconds so that the CV will come on board. While we're waiting for the CV, I'd like to explain a few things to you for those of you who might be new to this space. This is a typical job, and then you can see the title of the job, and also you can see how long ago it was posted, and then again you can see also the location from which the potential freelancers can come from. So it's basically saying worldwide, meaning that anybody around the world can apply. If you come over to this space, you will see that the client, his account has been verified, and most of the jobs that he gave out or she gave out were rated 5 stars. That's why you see 4.96, meaning that a few of them were not actually rated 5 points. Then you can also see that the client is in Western. United States. He has given out a total of 37 jobs, and he has spent on this page a total of $26,000. Okay, here's the job link. If you are interested in sharing this job with a friend of yours, you could just click on this copy link and then you send it over to them. All right. Then other statistics about the job is that you can see activity on the job. They have there are at least between 20 and 50 people who have submitted application for this job. Unfortunately, he's saying that his preferred location or preferred qualification is that he is looking for people who are from Asia. That will not stop us from achieving what we intended to achieve. I'm just interested in showing you how you can use ChatGPT to write proposals. While we're still waiting for my CV to open up, you come in here after you have studied the job. The next thing you again need to do to take it further is that you have to go deeper so that you can attempt to find the name of this client, because it sends a very good signal to the client. It tells him that you are a down-to-earth person, you are someone who can go the length looking for information. So it's a smooth here we see the comments left behind by clients, by talents who work for him or her. It's a smooth collaboration. The name of the client, this client was not mentioned in that. You click on view more and explore further. Thank you so much for your patience, Alejandro. Okay, so it's clear that the name of this client is Alejandro. So take note of that. I'm going to paste that here first for now to keep it down as a placeholder. I may just go ahead first to write a job. Let's say write an Upwork proposal to a client named Alejandro. Okay, so I can go ahead to say who posted a job with the following description. All right. Okay, then you go back to Upwork, and now we've gotten the man's name, and then you go to, since not much has been said, you can just copy this title. If assuming there was a lot of information that has been included in the description here, that one will be the one you copy, because it would have painted a much clearer picture than what the title is saying. For now, the title has more information than the description. So you go back, and then this is the description. All right. Then let us see if my CV has come upstream. If I can access it now, let me see. This is my CV, charged. All right. It's still requiring a few seconds too. Okay, I think it's here. So since it is here, what's happening? Okay. Something is slightly wrong. All right. So I'll go ahead and copy the CV. Go ahead and copy the CV. My CV is quite large, 3 pages, but I will just pick from the area that I think I will not need to include my paper publication. Then I copy that and go over to ChatGPT and say, here, before I go on, I will say write me an Upwork proposal. So I will have a full stop behind here and give a space. Then here I will now come back to behind this point. You can do it several ways. Here I will say here is my resume. Here's my resume. I can include the inverted, include my CV in that inverted corner quotation marks, and then paste it. After pasting it, you click this little button here and ask it to generate. And you sit back and wait for ChatGPT to do its due diligence. It's thinking right now. Maybe the network is a little bit slow, that's why it's not that fast, but we only need to wait it out. It's still going to be generating. So while it's generating, I can go ahead again and talk to you a little bit more about the job post. You can see that it's a little bit, it said project length is less than a month. However, it's interested, they can pay as much as between $40 and $75 an hour. Guys, this is not a little money, especially if you are operating out of anywhere in Africa. In my own country, Nigeria, a dollar is about 750 naira, and so that it means that if you have $40, you are talking about anywhere around 28 or 30,000 naira for 1 hour, not for 1 month, ladies and gentlemen, not for 1 day, for 1 hour. And if you are lucky that the job will have to take you a little bit far more than that, then you will make more than that. So you can see that the artificial intelligence is already generating the proposal. Like I said, maybe network is a little bit fuzzy. We still have to wait a little bit for it to complete the job of generating that particular proposal. So, but you would have, if I am interested in submitting for this now, I have to click apply, and then wait for my AI to complete generating my Upwork proposal. Okay, this is how you do it, and you wait it out for it to generate, and it's still doing that. It's still doing that. So this is how it works. All right, this is how it works. Although it's telling me that do not make the criteria just because the client prefers to work with guys from Asia, and that's why it seems as if I do not meet the criteria for working with that guy. So assuming it's this one, let's just check out the one that may be a little bit welcoming. One that may be a little bit welcoming. Okay, so let me see how far has the AI has gone in generating my. Okay, see, like I told you, there seems to have been a network issue all this while, but it is mostly has finished. It has reached up to the point of saying sincerely. I think it only needed to add my name. So at this point, you would have just copied. You would have just copied the proposal, and then you come over to where it says cover letter, and then you right click on your computer, paste as plain text. Yours sincerely. It was going to include my name, and then the proposal is properly written taking into cognizance my curriculum vitae or my resume, and also taking into cognizance the keywords from the job post that was made by this client. This is not the only thing you can use this AI to do. You can also ask it to write for you a CV. If you are interested in me showing you how you can ask this artificial intelligence tool to write a CV for you, leave a comment below in the comment section. Tell me that you are interested in me showing you how to develop your winning resume using ChatGPT. And guys, I still want to invite you, if you know that if this is the first time you have come across my videos on YouTube and you have gotten value from what you have seen, please hit the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell, just so that anytime I upload videos, cool videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. And also go ahead to share this video with your friends who are newcomers on Upwork. ChatGPT will help you in achieving or accomplishing the kind of results that you do not even dream of. So as you can see, I think the network is a little bit more stable now, and it is regenerating my cover letter. And one of the things that is easily noticeable with ChatGPT is that it produces for you the proposal that is of the best quality, one that is properly put together, and your clients will be happy to join you in a chat box or schedule a meeting or a call with you and holding a discussion with you and possibly giving you the job. And thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment, and may God bless you.